If you're facing a probate hearing for the first time, it's natural to feel a bit overwhelmed. But understanding what happens in court and how to prepare can make the process much smoother. A probate hearing is where a judge reviews the steps taken to settle a deceased person's estate. The personal representative, often called the executor, must bring key documents like the death certificate, an inventory of assets, and accounting records. The judge will check that all required notices were sent to heirs and creditors, and may ask questions about how assets have been managed or if debts remain unpaid. Most probate hearings are brief, lasting about 10 to 20 minutes, unless there are disputes or objections. The executor must attend all major hearings, while heirs and beneficiaries only need to show up if they plan to contest something. To prepare, gather all required paperwork ahead of time and dress professionally. Address the judge as your honor and answer questions clearly and respectfully. Missing documents or failing to notify all parties can delay the process. If the estate is small, you might be able to skip formal probate entirely using a small estate affidavit. When in doubt, consulting a probate attorney can help you avoid common mistakes and keep things on track.